Ever wonder what the challenges are when it comes to creating conversational artificial intelligence? It's a fascinating field, but it's not without its hurdles. From understanding human language nuances to generating relevant responses, the process is complex and intricate. But don't worry, today we're going to demystify this process by taking a closer look at OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, is a prime example of conversational AI. It's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, but can it really hold a conversation that feels human-like? Well, let's dissect this together. Step 1. Understand the model. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, which means it first learns to predict the next word in a sentence, and then fine-tunes this ability through reinforcement learning from human feedback. It's like teaching a child to speak. First they mimic, then they understand, and finally they innovate. Step 2, use the API. OpenAI provides an API for ChatGPT, which developers can use to integrate this language model into their applications. This means you can have ChatGPT as your chatbot, virtual assistant, or even as a part of your creative writing tool. Step 3, structure the conversation. When using the API, you feed the model with a series of messages. Each message has a role, which can be system, user, or assistant and content, which is the text of the message. A system message sets the behavior of the assistant while user messages serve as instructions. Step 4, generate a response. The model processes the conversation history and generates a response based on it. It's important to remember that the model doesn't have a memory of past requests, so the entire conversation needs to be included every time you make a request. Step 5, experiment and iterate. The beauty of AI is in its iterative nature. Try out different inputs, explore various temperature and max token settings to control the randomness and length of the generated content. Remember, it's all about fine-tuning until you achieve your desired output. So, to recap, the journey to using ChatGPT is a fascinating one. It begins with understanding the language model, moves on to using the API, structures the conversation, generates a response, and finally iterates for better results. Creating conversational AI is a complex task, fraught with challenges from understanding human language nuances to generating relevant and meaningful responses. But with tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, these complexities are being managed with more and more sophistication. Remember, technology is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Happy experimenting.